welcome back to Rodz and Hobz. It has been a while. Wow, last year sometime, right? Happy 2021. I'm your host, Steve Ricardo, and I know we usually talk about car stuff, car-related DIYs or stuff like that. But times have changed a little bit, right? So now we're going to do a little bit of a twist. We're going to talk about you. Yeah, the guy. Basically, man cave, basement stuff, garage stuff. Make it cool, make it their own signature kind of thing to it. So if you are first time here, subscribe down below, hit the like and hit the bell, and you'll be up to date when I post. I'll try to get some more frequent stuff up here. So we're going to talk in a series of how to improve your basement, make it look cool, add some cool features, kind of like that, right? Like that, or even like that. Simple things to do that'll take it to the next level, right? So if you got a bunch of CDs around the house that you want to kind of put somewhere, and you're like, toss them out, whatever. Usually now everything's MP3, right? So before you toss your CD out the door or the casing, we're going to talk about something that would be really cool, inexpensive, easy to do, to put in your man cave or garage, and it'll look cool. So at least I thought it looks cool. All right, okay, let's check it out. Okay, so these are really cool. You can find them on Amazon. You can find them on eBay. If you're in Canada, we got Michaels. I'm not sure what they got in the States, but for us, it's Michaels. So it's real simple. If you got a CD you kind of want to toss out. So here's your CD. You take take that out. You burn the CD, and then you can stick it in there. So I'll show you how it is done. Let's head upstairs, and we'll show you how simple it is to make one of these things. Yeah. Okay, real simple. So if you got your CD, just happen to pick one randomly, so really given. You can use tape, or if you want to keep the CD, I'll get to that point. You can use don't use crazy glue, but if you don't want to keep the CD, you can. Scissors. So these are the frames. You can get them at Michaels. I'll try and find a link of where you can get these online, and I'll post them at the bottom of the video. So, all right. So. Simple, even a man can do it, right? Okay. So in this, instructions, yeah, right. That's the little thing for your CD, okay? So, open it up. Use a spoon or a little knife. Basically, it's easier. And that way you're not damaging anything. Now, there's two ways of hanging these. I like using the 3M Velcro stickies. I'll put a link for that too. So this comes off, and you can hang it with a little nail, right? So you got the option of hanging it with a nail as well, or a thumbtack. But what I do is I just use the 3M and I post them on there. And that's pretty much it. Okay. So, one more in the corner. Take your scissors. Backing. Piece, and then keep that, and then there's your template, right? Don't forget, I've done it before, I forget to get rid of that. Okay, so now you got it all laid out. CD and this piece. So you can do two things. You can either, that's pretty much what I do, just kind of feel it with your fingers, right? Tip it over, and then you've got it sort of centered. So then you can put a little bit of tape behind it. Two spots. If you, remember, also, you can do this to stuff you don't even have, really. Okay, for demo purposes, I'll just put one piece of tape, and that's it. So, ta-da! Okay. Now, to fix the CD, you've got this, and then of course, great old me, I've misplaced where I put my little, there it is. Alright, so then that just goes right over there. Line it up as much as best you can. Maybe I should have used 2 pieces of tape. So, I usually use that for backing, which we can do here. Pop all that as center as you can. You look for that little hole. Didn't say it was easy. There. Get it lined up. So now it's straight. Okay. Either a spoon or a knife. Same thing. This is supposed to be easy. Ta-da! Alright, so push your tabs back down. I'll just do a couple for demo purposes. Tabs are down. And voila. There you go. They're inexpensive. Up here they're like 14, 15 bucks for these things. And right now Michael's is having a big sale, so I grabbed like 4 or 5 of them. They're like half off right now. But that's pretty much it. Easy to hang. It's like I said, use the 3M, the Velcro strips, right? Or you can use a tack. If you use the Velcro strips, just a Phillips screwdriver, easy to do, just take that off. And that's it. So, et voila. All right, I hope you guys dig, and yeah, comment down below what you guys thought, and if you guys put anything up in your man cave and how it went. Cheers. Thanks for watching. I've been Steve. You've been great.